How to connect a Turtle Beach Stealth 500 headset to Xbox One or Xbox One CDs. So hey everybody, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to guide you on how to set up your Turtle Beach Stealth headset to an Xbox. So without any delay, let's just jump right into the solutions. So for that, you need to plug the transmitter into the Xbox USB port. So you can go ahead and connect the wireless transmitter to the USB port on the Xbox. And then go ahead and turn on your headset and wait for the headset and transmitter to pair. When the headset and the transmitter are paired, the transmitter's LED light will be solid green and the headset's LED will flash green every 5 seconds. The Stealth 500 headset will enter pairing mode when it's turned on. If the headset is Bluetooth mode, you can press the quick switch button to switch it to the wireless mode. The LED lights on the transmitter on the headset will indicate the pairing and mute status. And the Swarm 2 app can be used to update the headset's firmware and customize its settings. So therefore, that is it. That is how you can set up the Xbox series with the Turtle Beach Stealth. So therefore, I hope this video was helpful to you. And thank you for watching this video.